I want to share with you 3 apps that have paid me and still paying me. Now, these are legit applications, but before we go deep, I want to say this very clearly. This is not, I'm not giving you any guarantees at all. No guarantees, and earnings will differ because what I'm sharing with here is my own personal experience. Okay, my experience might not be your own. You need to understand that very well. Okay, now I'm going to start with the lowest, the one that paid me the lowest, to the one that paid me highest. Okay. Now, two of them are Naira platforms. Then the other one is dollar. That one pays you in dollar. Okay. I'm going to share with you all that step by step, and of course how you can earn money with it. Okay. Now the first one on the list is Hockit. Now, Hockit, as you know it, Hockit is it's a platform that you can get paid to perform tasks. You're going to see some tasks here. You're going to see some tasks that you can earn once you perform them. You see all of these. This one is if you post on TikTok, you earn 100 naira. You're going to see that here, right? Now, these are some of the tasks that you can perform to earn money on this site. Now, let me show you my transaction history, and then I will go to withdrawal so that you can see my withdrawal history on Hockit. I have not been active for some time, and that's because I've got other important things that are taking my time. But you're gonna see my withdrawal histories on Hockit. You're gonna see so just look at my withdrawal histories, how much I've withdrawn. You're gonna see all that and the date. Okay, now Hockit is real and legit. Okay, but again, I'm not giving you any guarantees on Hockit. So and the Hockit requires that you start with 1,000 naira. Once you start with 1,000 naira, you can have access to all of these tags that are here. Okay, all these tags that are here. Now, if you want to start Hockit, I'm going to be leaving the link in the comment section so that you can check it out. Now, they pay directly to your Naira account. As you saw, all the withdrawal were directly to my Naira account. Okay, and you do tax here, you earn money. You can also promote anything here. You can also promote your product. If you click on this advertise, you can also promote your product here, and then you can also promote your social media pages here in case you want people to follow you, to subscribe to your channel, or to do a whole lot of social media tags on your page. You can advertise here as well. That's one thing with Hockit. Okay, they have a lot of Nigerians who are on their platform. Okay, you can also do affiliate marketing here. If you click on this market, yeah, if you click on this market, you can do a whole lot of affiliate marketing by selling other people's products. So it's loading the products now. Hockit is the first one which paid me the lowest. Let's go to the second one that paid me second to highest. Of course, still on Hockit, you're gonna see these are some affiliate program product that you can actually market. You can market these products and then you get paid. This is my WhatsApp contact and the stuff. Okay, let's see here the complete. So you can also sell your own products here. You can sell your own products here. You can market it as well. Okay, you're gonna see you can market and people can buy as well, right? Okay, so that is it on Hockit. You can just if you want it, the link is going to be in the comment section. Second to highest that have paid me is Yense. Yense is a dollar platform where you can make money by doing surveys. Now, as you can see, that I've made about $74 on Yense, and currently my balance is about $4. Right, you're gonna see that on the screen. Okay, so and you can withdraw with gift cards. I got my own True gift card and also Skrill. You can withdraw with Skrill as well. Okay, so basically what you do on Yense is just you come in here and do some tax. Okay, you're gonna see some tax here that you can do. Okay, you're gonna see a lot of tax you can do. Now this is a survey that is paying you this amount, and it takes about 5 minutes to do these surveys, and then you get paid. Now one thing with Yense is that it pays you in dollars. Okay, so you don't have to earn in naira. You can earn in dollar. Of course, you know that earning in dollar is also a big deal. It's a big deal for a lot of people. So if you click on this menu here, you're going to see offers. You're going to see surveils, play, cash out, more. Now, if you click on this affiliate here, this is also one thing that you can earn money from by sharing this with other people. Now, once if you click on this affiliate program, once someone joins Yense through you, they give you about 10 cents. Okay, that is it. Let's see here. Share with your friends and watch your earnings grow. Earn up to 10% recurring commission on what your friends make. That is it. But first of all, once they sign up, you earn 10 cents, okay, or 30 cents, depending on the country they are signing up from. If they are signing up from the US, you earn 30 cents, okay. Now, once your referral earn their first $5, okay, you are going to be earning the commission of what, $2, right? You're going to see that's how you can earn money. So share your link with people. Check the comment section. You're going to see my Yense link. You can register with me and then start earning. Yense is totally free. You don't need any money at all. Completely free. Just sign up with the link in the comment sections and then you can earn money. Now, how do you withdraw? If you click on cash out, click on the menu, click on cash out, you can see different ways you can cash out. Now, for those in Nigeria, what I would recommend is, so these are the cash out methods that you can leverage. You can do Amazon gift card. That one is, the minimum is $5. Once you have $5, you can withdraw. Okay, then you can also do this reward link. Then you can also do this other ones here, Salando. Then you can also use Apple Germany. Okay, so all of this you can just choose one. PayPal is there as well if you have PayPal account, but I know that most Nigerians don't have a paying PayPal, so just go for either gift cards. Okay, you can use any of those gift cards there. I think they also pay with let me see, I was seeing Skrill here and the Payoneer. You can use Payoneer as well. Okay, there are about 17 any rewards that you can claim here. It's about 17 of them. Okay, so that is the second website that has paid me and is still paying me. Now this one is website actually. The first one is app. It also has a website, but this one is only website. Now let's go to the third one. Okay, so the third one is Cowrise. You're gonna see these are some of my transactions that I have made on Cowrise. Okay, this one has paid me over roughly over close to 300,000 naira, right? That's what this one has paid me. Okay, so now Cowrise is a platform where you can save your money and then you can also be able to invest in stock. You're going to see stock here. This is a stock I sold. Okay, you're going to see you can invest in stock. You can also save money, and then once you save money, you get daily returns on that money. That's one good thing about this Cowrise. You get daily return on that depending on the amount you are saving though. Okay, but remember that the amount is going to be dependent on how much you're saving. Now what you're saving is completely yours. You can decide that, okay, I want to collect my money today or not. All right, so that's it. You can also buy stock here on Carrise. You can buy stock. If you click on stock now, you're going to see it. You can decide, is it naira or is it dollar stock that you want to buy. Okay, now let's go back here. If we click on this place here, we're going to see let's say um you're going to see a place that says become a shareholder. If you click on this become a shareholder, you're going to see different stocks that you can buy. You can buy different stocks, both the one in dollar and the one in naira. These ones are in naira. You're going to see different companies that are selling different stocks that you can buy. And as the stocks are growing, that's also how your money is growing. Okay, you're going to see different stocks here. So for me, Rise is a good one. I started using it since last year August, and it has been amazing. It has been an amazing experience. Yes, it has been an amazing experience. I can tell you that for sure. So check out these three apps that I've shared with you in this video. They are all real, they are all legit, but again, no guarantees. Okay, I'm not giving any guarantees, but trust me, they are all real. They are real and legit. Okay, guys, I hope you got value. Choose anyone, put in the comment section which app you're going to be trying, and maybe I can make further video on that application, give you more details. on how it works. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications so that you would always see me when I upload new videos.